Hello guys, my name is Jeet and today I am going to show you the structure of the AUD USD. So firstly we have to go on a monthly structure and you are asking that why we are going to monthly structure because the recent price action is formed from the structure that happens on the monthly basis. So I am telling you the situation what is happening here. See, okay, first I have to open the monthly higher high, higher low structure. See, you can see here this is the higher low of the monthly structure. I mean to say recent higher low. This is to clarify the situation. See, prices come down and wants to break the structure here, but when the prices break the structure, suddenly some buyings comes and prices was swept, and this swept is suddenly created a break of the recent supply. Okay, so this is now become a POI for the trader. What this one now become the POI. Okay, so I am unlocking the structure. I have just marked before. Uh, 1 minute. Yeah, that's the structure. See, now you can see here. Yeah, market sweep the previous higher low and break here the previous supply and again goes up. Look, market again goes here up and comes down, breaks the previous candle's low. This means this is a pullback. This is the pullback, and from this pullback a new sudden demand comes in. So these are our recent buyers entered here. So market what market do here comes down, take losses of the recent buyers who have entered to the trade here and goes down where in our POI. Okay, so we have to confirm here that the prices are bullish. So we have to go to 1 day time frame and check that any recent structure like this, any structure that when 1 day goes down like this, new sellers, new sellers, new sellers, new buyers, new buyers, new buyers, and sudden come that the price break the new sellers. Okay, so we have to see this situation in lower time frame, and we can see in a monthly time frame also that here the recent supply comes from this point. If you will see here, I remove the structure. 1 minute. See, prices are coming down like this one, this one, this one. 1 minute. uh, yeah, if I show the clear structure, like prices comes here like this and goes this point and again directly go this point here and touch this point and this point and this, and here the recent sellers are entered. What prices did? Prices come back, hit the SL. SL means here the losses of the recent seller has occurred. Now what we have to see here, now we have to see that the what is the OB, what is the new demand. So we can clearly see that the this candle is very interesting candle, and this candle has moved the prices upside. And if you are asking that the recent scenario is looking something selling, yeah, of course this is the selling scenario here, that prices goes up by tapping this zone, again the prices pushes down to this zone, again prices go wants to go up and again pushed down to this candle. I means to say below this candle, and again prices goes up and again pushing down. So why it is happening? So if we have to know that why it is happening, we have to go to a day time frame because that is the LTF of the monthly structure. So I am shifting to day time frame here, and I also unlocking the structures. Yeah, see. Mm, yeah, this is the day structure of the AUD USD. Watch here. This is the previous higher high in the I mean to say lower high in the downtrend of AUD USD. See, market comes up, wants to break this, but suddenly a supply comes in and goes down. So that means what, the market is in downtrend. Now we have look here. We have a downtrend move. Market wants to go down, and market mitigated here. Sometimes I literally here to see. I know that there may be a big move wants to occur, so that the manipulation has taken places from the time is Wednesday 8th March 23 to uh, here to Monday 29/23. The trader have losses so much in this scenario, and who knows that the why prices are doing this type of manipulation here, sometime up sometime down. Those can make such a huge profit here. Now we have to see that market goes down, created a new supply here, taken a loss of this suppliers and this supplies, this is the liquidity, and not mitigated this zone. Okay, just because this there is another OB. And why this OB, so I will tell it in another video why this OB was taken. But if you are aware of the structure, why it is formed, and what, so see why this OB is respected, because there was another OB here. Why this is not respected? I'm telling you, just if you see the weekly structure here, that this is the clear trend. Market have to take another recent seller. So in a weak structure, you can see that the recent sellers are entered from here. If the market just go down from this zone, so market cannot take the loss of the recent seller here. Okay, this is something difficult that you are putting in this you are putting your limit, sell limit from here, and suddenly price goes up and stop loss hit it, and you think that prices are go unnatural. So don't think that type of. Now see, this is our supply zone, and prices come down from this supply zone to this, again goes took out the liquidity. I think that the prices tapped on the prices tapped on the demand zone of the monthly POI. But here you can see that the prices also respected the day OB here and comes down. So what we have to do, and now the my view, I'm not telling that what the market will do. I'm telling that what my view is saying in this situation. My view is clear that if prices goes up and respected these zones, this means price should have to come here. Okay, guys, price should have to come here. Like this is the day structure, so this may take a lots of time to form the structure. I think about 3 to 4 months. Prices comes down this zone and break the recent demand, and again created a new demand, take the loss of the new demand, and once prices tap on our supply, and we can go from here. Okay, like this. See, this is our scenario. So overall trend is bearish, that I think. Now we should go on the 4-hour structure to say where we can sell. Now we have to open the 4-hour structure here. See, this is the another break of the structure of the 4 hour, and this is the OB. This is the OB of the day, and the market respected. And here you can see market have the new supply zone in the 4-hour structure. See, prices goes down, mitigated, prices breaks the low here. See, yeah, in this point market breaks the low here, and again market breaks the high. What this means? This means it's clear that the new demand comes here like this, and again new supply took places. So you know what will happen here. Prices will come here, took the new suppliers loss, and goes up, mitigate this demand zone, and break the recent demand, created a new supply, again break the new supply, took the loss, tap on your supply zone and goes down. Okay, this is the clear situation. Okay, now what we have to see. Now I am shifting to 15-minute structure and opening the 15-minute market structure here. Yeah, see, market clearly broke here. What market clearly broke here? 15-minute structure, which is the 15-minute lower high, and another uh, higher high and lower high. Market gives chalk here, and we have what? We have recent supply. Okay, so what are we waiting here? Market is to open London session. Okay, so this is our POI. Overall trend is what? See, market can give a little reaction from here, very little reaction, just because this is the what? This is here the loss of 4 hour sailors. Okay, not 15 minute. If you are taking trade from here, that this is the POI and a supply market comes here, this is a very little chance here that the market will react from here. If market react from here, do not trade. If you know that if prices seeing like impulsively moving from here, that's good. You can trade after double confirmation, just because this you know that there is a losses involved. Just think, prices come here, you took the place, and new sellers entered, you took in the trade until this position. This will not happen, guys. Here you have to wait here. I think you have to ghost market, ghost up, break the recent demand. Not market should have to break this demand, just because this is the mitigation, and again created a new seller here sometimes market, and then you should enter here. Okay, guys, until you should not enter here. Overall trend is bearish, I know. Market can go from here also, but as we know that the confirmation entry is very good, because market wants to go 4 hour supply, and we and us, all of the traders wants to trade 4 hour zone, not 15-minute zone. Or big players wants to trade 4 hour zone, 1 day zones, weekly zones, not 1 day 15-minute zones. So they will pushed up prices like this. You can see, I took trade in morning. See, I took trade in morning here. Okay, and taking the 1:12 risk reward, and uh, like this. See, market goes 15-minute structure. See, market goes 15. If the trader wants to, big players wants to, institution and etc wants to trade in lower and then mitigate this demand, which is, see here 1 hour demand also resting, but prices did not come on it. So this means clear that the prices directly wants to go up to this blue supply zone, mitigate, and thus wants to sell. That's it, guys. So don't try to, but yeah, you can trade here. If prices gives you more clarity, then you want to take 2x risk, because risk is involved clearly here. Sometimes uh, I have seen a lots of traders since that in this situation where the risks are more involved, the prices took places from these type of zones. So you can took risk. You can, if you know prices, you have seen that prices are more impulsed in this zone, and you know that prices does not mitigate this zone, directly go this zone to this, then you will enter, because then the risk reward ratio is so big. Then you can enter here. Until that, I don't recommend here. Okay, guys, so I am marking the risk reward ratio. What will happen here? See, yeah, this is our zone buying. From here, this is our SL, and the risk reward ratio is 1 is to 8. Exactly 1 is to 8, guys. Okay, So our morning trade is also good. This happens just because it is a midnight trade. I took the trade on when I took the trade here, which is 22:30, approx 10:30 p.m. in UTC. Okay, I took trade here, setting the stop loss in this position and targeting the this zone. Prices even does not break this zone, which have been created by this. Prices should break some just because Asian session has closed, New York session has begun, and prices goes like this. Okay, just see what will happen if you prices comes down to this demand before going here. You can go for buy. Okay, without any fear, and this is enough for the day. If anything I have seen and related to your study that I have taught you, I will upload it. And if something I have seen that not I have taught it to you, so I will not update. Don't complain about that. Sir, you have traded, I am not. So bye bye guys. Have a good day and good profit. See you soon.